Why is video becoming so important? Because of the targeting capabilities that I just mentioned, video is the #1 ad format to discover new vehicles and the #2 ad format to learn more about vehicles that they didn't previously consider. If you are using a very highly targeted video campaign, outside of search, video is the next best thing you can be doing to drive those customers to your dealership and to get into the consideration set.
And I think we're going to talk a little bit later about the effectiveness of helping with the search component by simply running campaigns. And this is something you see at Google across the board?
Yeah, and just to be clear, you mean how that impacts search and whatnot? Yeah, we'll talk a little bit about that in the attribution piece later, but to mention it now, a lot of times when you have an effective video strategy, it drives search results for you. It makes people search more for you, search directly for your dealership name, go directly to your website, and those are things you can measure to demonstrate the effectiveness of your video.